Hello everyone. How about there was a marketplace where developers could upload their APIs and instantly start earning money by request without building subscriptions, without managing payments, and without worrying about who paid and who did. Sounds like a good plan, right? Well, welcome to Axiom. Today, if you build an API, monetizing it is painful. You need Stripe, subscription systems, user accounts, billing dashboard, cancellations, and so much extra complexity. Most developers don't even monetize their APIs; they just give them away. But what if payments were built directly into the HTTP layer itself? So Axiom is a pay-per request marketplace powered by the HTTP 402 payment required and the Stacks ecosystem. Instead of subscriptions, users pay only when they actually use an API, and developers earn instantly per call. So I just logged into my developer account, and you can see that this is the API marketplace. It shows that there are two registered APIs. So each API clearly shows price in HTX, uptime, and other details. Now, here's the best part. Imagine I'm a developer and I just deployed my own API on Twitter. I don't need to integrate payment systems. I don't need Stripe. I don't need subscriptions. I simply go to the developer portal, click register API, enter the name of the API that I've created. Like I have it. If, okay, so I'll select this one and set a name for this. Provide a description, heading, and that fact. And then next, here I will place the URL, and this is a GET request, categories AIML, and two different categories as well. We'll set the price to 0.02, and tags will be placed as random, facts, cat, etc. tutoring. And then we have the playground schema where if you are putting a post request, then you need a PDF file, a form, a JSON, or a text. So for this one, we will select that and then publish our API. So see, as you can see that our API has been published. So if you go to the user portal, here you can see that our API has been published. Now I'll switch to another account for a demonstration. So if I switch to this one, this account here, and as you can see that this marketplace here has adds API random dog image. So if you go and try the random dog image, so there is no input required here, and we execute. As you can see that doesn't allow us to go through the API request, and it shows 402 payment required. And once we confirm it, it will unlock the. So we get our response, and this is the message. You copy the message, and then you can see that the dog image was generated. Now, basically what happens here, suppose you think that API request fails or something happens. So there are actually two accounts here. Three accounts included in the single transactions. This one, which is the user account 2, which is the developer account, and this third account is owned by the owner, which actually holds the amount till the API request is successfully executed. Now, this account also earns a 10% commission on every transactions as a platform fees. So suppose the price here was 0.02 HTX, right? So suppose if we copy this URL, the wallet address, and then copy the wallet address and paste it in this Explorer. As you can see from the transactions, so actually 0.018 HTX is only funded in this account, which is after deducting the 10% commission. So this is the end of the subscription party. This is the start of the paper request economy. This is Axiom, the programmable API marketplace powered by the X402 stacks. Thank you.